Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Venmo for goods and services. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their smartphones. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use Venmo for buying and selling goods and services. First, you need to have a Venmo account and the Venmo app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free using your email address or Facebook account. Once you have an account, you can add your bank account or credit card to fund your transactions. To buy goods or services using Venmo, you need to find the seller or merchant who accepts Venmo payments. You can do this by searching for the seller in the Venmo app or by using the Pay with Venmo feature on the seller's website or app. Once you have found the seller, you can initiate a payment by selecting the Pay or Request Money option. Next, you need to enter the amount you want to pay and add a note or description of the goods or services you are buying. You can also add a tip or gratuity if you want to. Then you need to confirm the payment by reviewing the details and authorizing the transaction. To sell goods or services using Venmo, you need to create a business profile and set up your account to accept payments. You can do this by going to the Venmo website and following the instructions to create a business account. Once you have a business account, you can share your Venmo handle with customers and they can pay you using the Pay with Venmo feature. It is also important to note that Venmo charges a small fee for goods and services transactions. The fee is currently 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. This fee is deducted from the payment amount and the seller receives the remaining amount. In conclusion, using Venmo for goods and services is a convenient and secure way to buy and sell online. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to pay for goods and services or to get paid for your products or services. Always make sure to review the payment details carefully and use the Pay with Venmo feature to ensure a smooth transaction.